Okay, so since we're learning about snow today, I figured we would read a book called Snow. Here we go. What's this called? Table of contents. And what does it do? That's right, it tells us where we can find the information and on what page. Okay, so here we go with snow. Snow is ice that falls from clouds. Snow falls when the air is very cold. Snowflakes form high inside a cloud. They start as tiny ice crystals. Excuse me. The ice crystals grow bigger and heavier. They fall through the cloud. The ice crystals smash into each other. When they stick together, they form bigger snowflakes. Most snowflakes have 6 sides. They come in many shapes. So if it has 6 sides, it's called a hexagon. So I'm going to see if I can zoom in. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides. And you can tell that each of these looks different. So here's one, and then here's another one. They look totally different. They still have the same 6 sides, most of them do, but it just looks totally different. And then this one over here looks like it has like tree branches. That's kind of crazy. Okay. This snowflake has thin branches, just like I talked about in the last one. They look like tree branches. It looks like a star. This snowflake has thick branches. This snowflake has almost no branches at all. So we're going to show you right here. They're like itty bitty branches. They're barely there. It's so cool to look at them up close. These snowflakes are a jumble of ice crystals. That's when they all kind of mix and get together. Every snowflake is different. Sometimes big, fluffy snowflakes fall to the ground. This snow is wet and heavy. We don't see too much of this. Other times, small, crisp snowflakes fall to the ground. This snow is light and powdery. Snow that falls in a flurry stops and starts again. A flurry does not bring much snow. That's usually what we get here in Charlotte. Snow falls fast during a snowstorm. The snow can really pile up. I don't know if you can see, but look at those people. And look how tall that snow is. It's taller than they are. Look at that. I've never seen snow like that before. How about you? The biggest snowstorms are called blizzards. Strong winds blow snow around so much that it is hard to see. The air becomes icy cold. It is dangerous to be outside during a blizzard. It's hard to see. The temperature is very cold. You can get really sick. The ice can actually burn your skin. It's kind of crazy to think that ice can burn. but it can. So make sure whenever you go out in snow, you are bundled up. Don't want anybody getting sick or ice burned. Snow covers the ground after a snowstorm. Sometimes winds push the snow into huge drifts. The snow stays until warm weather melts it away. I'm going to pause here for just a second and let's think about, we just learned about the water cycle. So how do you think snow fits into the water cycle? I'll give you a hint. Down here it says the snow the snow stays until warm weather melts it away. Good. So if the snow is melting and it's turning back into water, that's right. And then it goes right back through the water cycle. It goes up back into the clouds when the sun warms it up and turns into water vapor. And the water vapor mixes with dust into clouds, and then it rains, and it all keeps going. And here are some definitions that we heard in the story. And there is the book of snow.